Hey, what's up guys? Samsung Galaxy M30s will be launching in India on September 18. The company is also working on another M series smartphone which is dubbed as Samsung Galaxy M10s. The Samsung Galaxy M10s is likely to be launched alongside Samsung Galaxy M30s on September 18 and it will be exclusively available through Amazon India. Now, ahead of the launch, the specifications of the Galaxy M10s have been leaked via Giz Arena. As per the report, the Samsung Galaxy M10s will feature a 6.4-inch HD Plus Super AMOLED display, and the phone will be powered by an 1.6 GHz Exynos 7885 octa-core processor coupled with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. The Samsung Galaxy M10s will come with a dual camera setup with a combination of primary sensor which is of 13 megapixel with an aperture of f1.9 and a secondary sensor which is of 2 megapixel with an aperture of f2.2. The smartphone will run on Android 9 Pie out of the box and will come with a non-removable battery which is of 4000 mAh. Additionally, the Samsung Galaxy M10s will also come with a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner and a Dolby Atmos sound. The weight of the phone is 169 grams and comes with almost all the connectivity options. So these are the specifications of the Samsung Galaxy M10s. Hope you like this low-budget smartphone. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and what you feel about this upcoming Samsung Galaxy M10s, please comment in the comment section. Do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.